Hello, it's Aaliyah from the Song of the Winds. I hope you're doing really well. Today I have the She Wolfe Tarot to unbox and I'm very, very excited to open it up. I've only had this deck for a few hours now. A friend of mine, we had bought it together and split the shipping, and she's just very kindly dropped it off for me. So I'm so excited to open it up and show you what's inside. But what I'll do is actually change the camera position so that we can look down at the deck and just unbox it really slowly and enjoy it. So yeah, I'll catch you in just a second. The box is just extraordinarily beautiful. It's really quite large. You can see the creator details there on the back. If you want to visit her website, it's www.serpentfire.ca. The box is lovely and matte, doesn't have a glossy finish at all. And to get it out, I think you just need to be a bit patient because there's no finger holds on the box. There we go. Okay, I've heard good things about the guidebook. Good size. You can see all the information there about what the book covers. Okay, let's flick straight to Major Arcana, just to number 7, page 7. Okay, it's quite in depth. That is what I had heard, which is good. So I think what the artist had done here was, instead of just sort of sticking to one page per card, she just kind of let it flow. So with some there's probably less information than others, and some probably really quite in depth. The book's nice. It's got the astrological correspondences for different cards, including the minors. That's great. Yeah, wow. So that'll be a nice booklet to sink your teeth into. It's small, but I think it's tiny but mighty. Oh, what do we have inside? You can have a little read of what it says inside the box. The card backs are beautiful. And look at the gilding. Look at that rose pink gold. Oh, so nice. Lovely. Okay, let's do one by one. Each card one by one. Okay. So it looks as if, yeah, real people have posed for these cards. Beautiful. And it's a totally different take, isn't it? It's quite far removed from the Rider-Waite. This is a very intuitive deck. Oops. Some of these cards are a bit sticky. You just need to separate them. Very nice. And I quite like a collage style of artwork. And it's nice to see stepping away from the binary of, you know, traditional masculine, feminine, you know, hanged man. That's great. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you can get lost in that one. That's a beautiful death card. Very nice. Wow, that's great. I apologise for how flippant I'm being with putting the cards down. It's just if I move my hands too much, I lose the focus entirely. So I actually wouldn't drop them like that if I didn't have to. I desperately need a new lens for my camera. I know I usually talk a lot in these videos, but I'm just sort of enjoying the cards, you know, quietly enjoying them. That's a really interesting Three of Swords. It's so completely different from the usual interpretation. Whereas I think the Four of Swords still sort of keeps that energy of the Rider-Waite. I really love how they're borderless. That's great. And of all the suits, I think I struggle the most with the wands, just in general, not this deck. Oh, look at that, they're all a bit... I might have to go through and put these in order. Yeah, and it turns out I don't have really any fire in my chart, which is probably why, you know, the wands are always a little bit of a mystery to me. I understand their meaning, but I just don't connect with it in the same way that I do with cups, unsurprisingly. Says the water heavy woman. Wow. I think it is worth mentioning though that you don't see, I haven't noticed anyone who's, you know, carrying a bit of weight in this. I think it's good to really challenge the, you know, binary gender, but the diversity isn't there in terms of body shape at all that I can see. Wow, okay, well that is the whole flip through. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that deck flip through. Please let me know in the comments below if you've got a favourite card. And I was just reading on the website as well, this edition has sold out now, so if you'd like to get on board with the next edition, I believe it's going to be available by the end of January 2018, so if you place an order now, it will be a pre-order. And you can check it out at www.serpentfire.ca. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you again next time. Bye!